Welcome. If you've ever snoozed an email in Gmail and later realize you don't need it anymore, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to delete snoozed emails on the Gmail app. Simple, fast, and updated for the latest version. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account where your snoozed emails are saved. Sometimes we snooze things on one account and forget, so it's worth checking. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the menu icon. It looks like three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap that. A list of options will slide out from the side. Scroll down a bit until you find the option labeled snoozed, then tap it. This is where Gmail stores all your emails that you've postponed for later. Now, you'll see a list of every email you've snoozed. Scroll through until you find the one you want to delete. When you found it, press and hold on that email. This will select it. If you like, you can select more than one at a time by tapping additional emails. Once your choices are selected, look toward the top of your screen. You'll notice a trash bin icon. That's your delete button. Tap on it once, and Gmail will instantly move your selected snoozed emails to the trash, and that's it. You've successfully deleted your snoozed emails. If you ever change your mind, remember that deleted emails stay in the trash for 30 days before they're permanently removed. During that time, you can still recover them if needed. Clearing out old snoozed emails is a great way to keep your inbox organized and make sure you only see the messages that matter most. So that's a quick and easy way to delete snoozed emails in the Gmail app. Updated and ready to go. Thanks for watching.